Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing. And yeah, it's been a while. I think it's been a while I haven't purchased anything from Coach. And yesterday I saw this at the Macy's website. And this particular item, this particular piece, it has been on my wish list ever since it was released. So I was so thrilled and I was so excited to share this with you guys. And oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful and a must have if you are a Coach lover, if you're a collector as well. And yeah, so anyway, it came in with this. This is actually, they put this one in the entire packaging, like the manufacturer's packaging, the manufacturer's packaging, and I totally like that. It's because it just makes me feel that I'm actually getting a brand new one. I know for the fact that when you go to the store, they have it and they have a floor model right there, and yeah, it's already been like touch, or it's showing a lot of wear, obviously, especially with this particular type of leather. And wow, look at her. She is stunningly beautiful. As you guys could see right there, it came in with all the protective stuff. So let me just remove all of those. And I was able to remove all the packaging. Let's take a look at this beauty right here. Oh my gosh, isn't she beautiful? Look at the quilting right there. Oh my gosh, the puffiness of it, it does seem to look like it's just perfect. I mean, that is the reason why I purchased this right away. I didn't even think twice. I didn't even I just bought it right away as soon as I saw that it was on sale, because I know that it's going to be worth it. So this is the Field Tote 22 with the quilting right there. This is in black color, and it is made up of a smooth leather with a mixture of the refined calf leather. Wow, I just can't get over of how beautiful this is. I kept staring at it. I kept like looking all this beautiful contrasting stitching. Oh my gosh, that is my favorite part. Aside from this is actually aside from the puffiness, the pillow quilting right here, the stitching is my all-time favorite, definitely. And if you are actually at the Macy's website right now, Macy's website, I think this one is on sale for $270 US. Definitely affordable. And I think this one is originally priced as $450. Oh my gosh. Can you believe that? So it is like, my instinct, it's like with Coach, guys, when they release a new item, I realized that I'm not going to have to buy the item right away, because I know eventually they're going to put it on sale. So yeah, sure enough, I didn't expect that they put this one in sale. I think for the spring and summer sale though. But I think on the Coach website, on the Coach boutique, this one is still regular price. I think right now Macy's are actually doing a sale on some of the Coach bags, and I am so happy that the Field Tote 22 is one of them. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think twice. I didn't even waste my time. I jumped in it. I purchased it right away. And anyway, we have the hang tag right here. It is actually puffy as well. Beautiful, beautiful contrasting stitching right there. Even with that, even with the tag though, the attention of detail is amazing. And also, we have a top handle right here. It is actually made up of smooth leather. the contrasting brown stitching is absolutely amazing on this. The contrast is gorgeous. And we have, this one has a pewter hardware right here. And on the side right here, we have a D-ring where you could actually hook this strap, and on the other side as well. On this corner, nothing special in this corner. It is just the quilted puffy leather right here. And also on the side, I love that they reinforce this corner right here with the leather. Okay? And on top of that, on top of the purse right here, the piping, it is actually glazed. So you could still see the glazing around this on the top of it, and also with the handle as well. So this one has this weird closure, the snap closure, which I never use because they actually never work though. I have the 40 ones and they never work. Like right now, let me try to close it, but it wouldn't snap. It wouldn't snap. That's because of the magnet is actually not strong enough though. It's like it wouldn't snap at all. So that is actually the biggest, oh, I don't know if that is a downside for the purse itself, but with this particular type of bag, normally you don't really close it, because if you would close that, yeah, you don't have enough space then inside. Oh my gosh, look at the stitching guys. Look at the inside as well. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. So we have a strap right here. The strap is made up of, I think it's made up of a jacquard material, but it's really soft and it is lightweight. And it has a combination of the leather right here with the hook. And I think this one is gorgeous. This is actually more likely on the slimmer side. Right here, it is adjustable. That is a good thing. It has a pewter hardware as well. And yeah, it has a leather right here on this side. Oh my gosh, I don't know what you guys think about the pewter hardware, but I think with this hardware, if they put a gold hardware in this or the brass gold, I think it would also look perfect as well. So anyway, on the inside, we have a patch creed right there, which is in brown color, a contrasting the creed right there. And we have a side pocket on the inside with a zipper. And also it is lined with a particular, it does feel like suede. It does feel like suede though, but it's not like plush, like really soft suede, but it has the texture of a suede inside. It's not like a, I don't know how to call this, the textile lining that is just made up of fabric, like a regular fabric. But this one, let me just show you up close. This one is entirely different though. And the inside pocket, I have noticed that this one is made up, see the difference right there? This one is different. And also this one has a really suede feel to it. And also, oh, we have a dust bag right here, which is kind of nice. And this is how it looks inside. Really nice. And also, I was thinking of, I have several organizer right there. And of course, when I use my bag, whether in any colors though, I always use an organizer. It's so easy to take it out. It just helps your purse clean inside. It helps keeps your purse, what I meant is tidy inside. Right there, if you spill anything or whatsoever, it goes right to the organizer, not to the purse itself. So I think, oh my gosh, I just can't get over of how lovely this is. Oh my gosh, it's just, the size is perfect. It's not too small. It's not like a micro mini bag. It's more likely yeah, it is a small bag, I must say. It has the perfect, oh my gosh, quilting right here. I mean, you don't need to touch the bag. When you look at it up close, you could literally like see it right away. It's like, wow, that bag, the quilting looks really soft. The puffiness of the quilting is really, it's just like soft and supple, really. And also, this one has a 4 protective feet right there at the bottom. I'm so sorry, I'm running out of, I can't speak right now. I don't even know. I have no what's going on. But anyway, so look at that, the detail, guys. You should, I mean, a must have. This particular bag is a must have. You will definitely gonna love it. The style, the quilting, the craftsmanship, and wow. And the price, of course. The price is highly affordable, definitely on top of everything. So anyway, that is my new coach that I will be added in my collection. She's beautiful and she is structured. Oh my gosh. Even though this one is quilted, it has those beautiful structure. I totally love it. Oh my gosh. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.